In this video, we're looking at the 3 CPR scan for a bearish stock. Okay, so these are the stocks we're getting. Okay, not many. So let's look at BA. Okay, go to charts. We are in a 1 hour time frame. Weekly CPR. Okay, BA. You see the CPR is turning down, but not quite, but it's still turning down. Okay, so multi-time frame bearish. Let's go next one, mRNA. Okay, so this looks very bearish. mRNA. Okay, the CPR down, all time frames are. Okay, let's look at TSY. This is not the right setup. Okay, these are the stocks. Okay, so let's see how we want to play this on the option market. Let's go to options. Let's go to BA. Put candle spread. This will help the stock goes down. Okay, see here we want paying only this one. Okay, let's the other option is go up, bear call spread. $165, $160. Good credits. November 18th. Okay, $165. Okay, my credit is good. So this is a good strategy to make a bear call spread, or selling a call and buying a call. Okay, as long as the stock stays below 160, you'll make money. Look at this 11th. Okay, it's still a good one. You want to just stay till October 11th. Okay, it's a good strategy. Okay, let's look at the other option. Put broken wing. See whether we can make money here. Go down here. Okay, this is even a better strategy where you can say put broken wing. Goes down, you make money. Okay. Okay, you want to make call broken wing. In that case, when it's bearish, you go here, go here. Goes up, it make money, goes down. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.